Stepping back to the year 1972, an absolute classic from none other than Bill Withers, titled Use Me. Absolute great song to learn for any guitar, funk, soul enthusiast, comprising of 2 chords and a very catchy riff. So starting off, we've got our first note on the 5th fret 5th string, and we're going to hammer on to the 7th fret of the same string. We then roll over to the 4th string 5th fret, following which we go back to the 7th fret 5th string. Then for twice in a row we go from the 4th string 5th fret once again, and we do that twice over. So all it is a slight delay from the 4th note going into that double pattern. We then move along to our first note we played, which is the 5th fret 5th string, and then to the 4th fret on the 5th string, from which we slide, or I tend to slide, from the 4th fret all the way to the 7th on the same string. And in full, nice and slowly, you have the said riff. Notice how when I finish on the 7th fret 5th string, I am then picking once again, but muting straight afterwards. So pretty much that is the main riff throughout the whole song. Iconic, a lot of fun to play, and fairly straightforward. There is a couple of variations, or there is one variation should I say, which you can bring in every now and again, and also we've got a few climbing notes as well. Every 4th time around we can then play this chromatic little climb, and in context now when I listen to the song, it's roughly around about every 4th time that little chromatic climb is featured, but you can make it your own and introduce it how many times you like, or wherever you like. And one more variation we can introduce that's featured in the song is again part of the same scale, the E minor, and sounds like this. And again in context, this would feature like so. And the way we play this is we start on the 4th fret 5th string, hammering on to the 7th fret. We then move to the 4th string and hammer on from 4 to 5. And then we go back to the 7th on the 5th string. 5 notes, which is nicely placed at the end of the main riff. Moving on to the chords, it's an absolute rhythm guitarist delight, this song, featuring only 2 chords throughout. These chords being E minor 7 and A7. And the way we go about playing this one is for the E minor 7, first finger, 7th fret, 5th string. On the 4th string, what we need to do is, with that first finger, is move it over that 4th string slightly, so we're muting it. So we try and dampen that sound. And then we've got our 2nd finger on the 7th fret, 3rd string. And our 3rd finger we've got on the 8th fret, 2nd string. Now the beauty is we move down or towards the head of the guitar 1, 2 frets, and we move everything up 1 string. So this time 1st finger's on the 5th fret, top string, muting the 5th string, similar to the E minor. 3rd finger, correction, 2nd finger is now on the 4th string, 5th fret. 3rd finger is now on the 3rd string, 6th fret. That there is our A7 chord, which leads me onto the rhythm. Now it's a lot to do with feeling this, but if you're new to funk guitar, what you want to do is base it around 16th note pattern. And the best way to start this is to mute your guitar and just simply do a down up pattern based around 16th notes. The count for this will be 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Applying that to the chords, we have this. One of my favourite styles of guitar is playing the funk style rhythm. Don't forget, if you're a fan of all things soul, funk, northern soul, Motown, jazz, disco, then you're in the right place, and this playlist on screen is going to help you every step of the way.